Hi, my name is Bridget Bash. I'm an external communications manager at Intel here in Oregon. So our DDG group, which is the device development group, is here today with over 250 volunteers across 3 schools in the Hillsboro School District. They're helping do some volunteer work, including landscaping and power washing. I think there's even some painting going on, so a little bit of everything, and just really trying to lend a hand to the school district. The volunteer culture at Intel is really strong. We constantly have employees out in the community and lending a hand. We support education in a lot of different ways, and sometimes that includes sort of rolling up our sleeves and doing some manual labor work for the schools as well. Last year, Intel employees in Oregon volunteered over 300 hours in our local community, so we're really proud of our employees for that work and for honoring that legacy of Intel volunteering. So today's volunteer efforts are really just one example of the ongoing support that we try to lend to the school district.